Hi, my name's Jessie Rose. If you have a pet dog, then you probably know that keeping their toys neat and tidy can be a chore. So why not develop a cute and personalised toy box for your pet? So let's get into it. We're creating a dog toy box 450 by 250 by 200 mil. Using a measuring tape and pencil, mark out two lengths at 450 by 200 mil, one base at 450 by 250 mil, and two whips, 200 by 250 mil. Using a circular saw, cut the MDF and put aside. For the bones, you'll need to cut an additional 2 pieces, slightly larger, at 600 by 400 mils. Then it's time to create your bone shape. To make sure the bone covers the box, mark out grid lines to 450 by 250 mil. Then draw your bone shape around this. Then clamp your 2 pieces of MDF to a sawhorse and jigsaw the bone shape. With your pieces cut out, it's assembly time. Pre-drill your edges using a 3mm drill bit. Then screw the pieces into place using 10 gauge 40 to 50mm screws. Begin by creating the outer edges of the box. Then finish by screwing in the base last. Once your box is constructed, it's time to fix on your bones. Place your box on the table and sit your first bone on top. Once it's centered and in the right position, use clamps to secure it into place. Once secured, use a 28mm screw and pre-drill and screw it into place, but be sure not to drill too far. Fill all your holes with spack filler, and then once dry, smooth out any rough edges and filler with sandpaper. Start with a coarser grit and work your way down to a finer grit. Once you're done, wipe away any dust with a damp cloth. And now it's time to get creative. Paint the box in your favourite colours. Once the paint dries, add your pup's name to the front with a stencil or some letter stickers. You can even add cute paw prints or bone designs for extra flair. So there you have it, a cute personalised toy box for your toys. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.